guys, Captain Ratchet here. I'm in a bit of a hurry, but welcome to ThunderSlap Tech, and in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Xtrfy M4 mouse. Let's go! Okay, so I pre-ordered this mouse about a month ago, and it actually arrived September 26th on Thursday, same day as my Cooler Master actually, which is funny enough. So that's pretty cool. The mouse is actually going to be released in October, however. I don't know the exact date. I'll probably put it down below in the description. Now, let's start opening this mouse. We're gonna get our handy dandy keychain knife, cut this open. Okay, now Xtrfy, I haven't owned any of their products before. This is actually the first mouse that I have gotten from them, but just the fact that this mouse got here so quickly is pretty cool. It actually came all the way from Sweden. What is this? What the heck? Whoa. Okay, so we got the mouse itself and a bunch of other stuff. What the heck? Seems to be, thank you for pre-ordering the Xtrfy M4. Okay, more humble bumble stuff, right? Okay. Thank you. We're the best. And a bunch of stickers. Oh, Ninjas in Pajamas. I guess they have some type of sponsorship together. That's pretty cool. I mean, I don't support Ninjas and Pajamas. Oh, let's go, boys. You got some shades here. All right. I see you. Anywho, now what is this? I don't know what this is. I know we should be getting into the mouse, but I want to see what goodies we got sent here. This is a ball, I think. Oh. This is very difficult. Oh, why is that so difficult? Oh no, the air is escaping. Fuck, close, bitch. This is pop. There's literally a hole in here. That's why it was so fucking hard to fucking... Alright, Xtrfy, you failed me. The ball's popped already. Nice. Why? And, let's try out these shades. Alright, cheap shades. Nice. How do I look? How do I look with my Xtrfy ball sponsorship here? And we also have this keychain, so yeah. Or lanyard. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, let's get rid of all this junk. This is really what's all in the box. Stickers, your thank you, lanyard, trash, and these cheap shades. I mean, it's pretty cool though. I mean, that's the first mouse that has sent me goodies other than like, I mean, there's also G-Wolves. G-Wolves sent like extra feet and extra cable. So that was pretty cool of Xtrfy to send us all that swag, I guess. I'm probably not going to use any of that, low-key, but now this is the Xtrfy mouse.
So the box presentation, I did buy the retro version of this mouse, and the box does look pretty freaking retro. It's actually really nice. It's a nice presentation, and you got the measurements, you know, the mouse specs as always on the back of the box. But yeah, guys, this looks pretty retro. It's pretty cool. IMO, you know. Probably my top 3 for mice boxes.
Alrighty, so let's open up the mouse. We cut that apart already. Just gonna have to... Okay. I don't think there's anything on this side. Wow, that is gorgeous. We got some extra keycaps. Ooh. Let me try to get these out personally. Look at that, boys. Look at that, boys. You got some extra keycaps. Let's bring in the camera closer on that. You gonna show the keycaps? That's actually pretty cool. Okay, so that's pretty cool of them to actually give us keycaps. I'm probably not going to be using them, but they're pretty cool keycaps, as you can see. Now, I don't know how to get the cable out of this freaking hole. Okay, I don't know why this is so hard. Why? Okay, alrighty. Yep, cool. Anywho, wow. This mouse looks retro as heck. So because I forgot to record the measurements, thankfully Xtrfy has the measurements on their website. So here they are. I'll give you guys a second to look at that. And now we're gonna go on to the weight itself. So Xtrfy claims that the mouse actually weighs 69 grams. Now on my own scale, I got around 71 grams. So it's about a 2-gram difference. Obviously, they probably weighed their mouse without the cable, but you're not really going to be able to tell the difference between 69 grams and 71 grams in your hand. So, yeah. Now this mouse is an ergonomically shaped mouse. Obviously there's only side buttons on the left, so this is only for right-hand users, but it's also, like the Skull, it's a big mouse designed for palm users. Now let's get into the clicks. So yeah, great buttons, side buttons, and left and right button. No post travel, none of that. Now there are a lot of buttons. There's a DPI button on the bottom, and there's also a polling rate button. And the DPI button on top is actually for the RGB, so that's really weird. Now this is their easy cord. It's a really good cord actually compared to other mice. So another great stock cable, right? I'm probably going to change it just because I feel like a white paracord would suit this mouse more. But it's a great cable, nothing special. I mean, it is special because it's a great cable, but I mean, like, compared to other mice, it's just... Now, there's a really cool thing where there's like an RGB logo of the company inside the mouse. So that's pretty dope. I've never seen that before, but this mouse is so beautiful. Aesthetically, this is one of my best looking mice in my entire collection. Now, the mouse gates on the mouse themselves are actually pretty good. I feel like the mouse itself is a little slow. I'm not entirely sure if 400 DPI is the same as the 400 DPI on all my other mice. I feel like it's a little slower. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. Maybe it's just me. I haven't really done any tests or any measurements. But the mouse gates feel good. They're smooth. They're not that fast, but you know, it's medium. Obviously, once Hyperglides come out with this, it's gonna be so nice. You know, and that's pretty much it for this mouse. Again, you know, it's shorter than the Skull, so it's still, you know, palm grip style, but you can definitely claw this. It doesn't have big holes. I guess you can kind of fingertip it too if you really wanted to, but again, it's an ergo mouse, so you're not going to really be able to do that too well. Now, playing games, I did feel my aim was consistent. You know, I've been playing around with a lot of small mice, so enjoying this larger mouse, you know, I didn't really have a bad transition. I went back to palming, and I really don't know which is better for me, fingertip or palming, but besides all that, this is really a great mouse. Now, there are different versions of every mouse. There's well, of this mouse, sorry. There's like a light blue, a pink, this retro one, which is a little more expensive. It's like $70. The other versions vary from $65 to $60 on their site. I will link that below. And this mouse doesn't really have any software. Literally everything is on board. The DPI button, which is on the bottom, and that button that you thought was a DPI on top was actually for the RGB, and you can actually change the polling rate on the little switch on the mouse. So there's no software at all for any of that, which, you know, isn't a big issue for me because I hate software. So the fact that I don't have to download any of that is pretty cool. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. This was the review of the Xtrfy M4. As always, if there's any tips, comments, or anything like that, or if I missed something, because I really had to edit this so quick. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. I love you. I miss you. and I suck at this game.